And I have three really good options for you. If you really want to get a hot item that is really, really popular, that sells well, that does what they say they do, I have more than just three. These are the three that I want to really focus on. Now, the first one is a brand new item that just came in by Leaf and Flower. Now, Leaf and Flower is known for their CBD charged hair care products, and they're kind of unique in the industry and how they deliver their products and what's in them. It's called Tame and Fix Flyaway Stick. It's just a wand that has a really cool ingredient that you just like comb through your, I can't even see myself doing it on screen, but what you want to do is you just want to comb down your flyaway hairs, your little baby hairs that, you know, oftentimes you might struggle controlling them. And you know, I've had people say, well, why can't you just use a gel or a spray or whatever? Well, you could, but what's nice about this is it's really compact. And the other thing that it doesn't do, it doesn't get hard or crunchy or stiff in your hair, doesn't weigh it down, doesn't make it oily or greasy. And from what I've heard from other people, that some of those other ones that are on the market, they just don't work so well. And this little wand here, it looks like a mascara wand, but it's very firm. One really cool thing about this is it's compact enough to put in your purse or in your pocket. This also can help handle wiry gray hairs. So, and this could even be a great item for men, especially if they have a beard growing in or maybe a full beard. And, you know, a lot of times you have those just little hairs that are just hard to control. This is just a nice, quick little one that you can use real quick to calm those down. One of the other cool things about it is, and one of the reasons why we're selling out of this so quickly, we really only had this for just better over a week, and we sold out of our full allotment that the company got in. These retail for $19.99, so they are a really good, reasonable price point for a stocking stuffer, but this makes a nice gift, and it comes in a nice box.
Watch this next clip to see what it does.
What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for. What you looking for? We got what you looking for.
Why are people obsessing over our new flyaway stick?
You can slide it in your purse. I like that it doesn't feel greasy or crunchy.
And it's gonna help with flyaways, frizz, new hair growth, and wiry grays.
It's not leaving behind any residue and it doesn't feel stiff, which is really important to me.
My natural hair falls kind of right here, and you can see it has a little bit of fuzziness that I kind of want to tame. See how that just tamed it?
You can throw this in your purse too.
I don't feel like you can use too much of it either.
I love it.
You guys killed it on the scent.
It's flexible.
I give this a 10 out of 10.
Love it.
What'd you think of that? That's pretty cool, huh? Be sure to ask your stylist or your salon now if you want them to get this in. This has been another one of my hot selling products. This is called Rebond, Molecular Hair Science Leave-In Miracle Bond Building Mask. Anybody that's used K18 knows that, you know, they were the category leader. They're the ones that actually created this category. Traditionally, a stylist would add a bond builder into a color formula or bleach formula to help protect the bonds and rebuild the bonds, so that when you're lightening or when you're doing color, it actually helps make the hair healthier, shinier, allows it to actually be able to be colored or lightened beyond what it would normally do without having a bond builder in it. Well, this new category is like a leave-in mask. It's a simple 4-step process. You know, they say that this has a nicer fragrance than K18. One really big reason why you want this versus K18 is K18 retails for $75 for a little 1.7 ounce size bottle. 1.7 ounce for $75, that's a pretty steep price. A 3 ounce size for $44 suggested retail price. So that's quite a bit of difference, and that's more in line with what most people are paying for a good quality hair care product. I have a video that I made on that as well, and it will go into more detail.
It's called a bond building mask. This is not a rinse out product. There are 3 types of bonds in the hair, and each bond has a specific role in determining the hair's composition and strength. So those 3 types of bonds in the hair, ionic, which most people call salt bonds, you have hydrogen and you have disulfide. Most of you probably have heard of disulfide because when you do relaxers or you do any kind of thermal like rust anti-curl, perming, etc., you're really affecting the disulfide bonds. They're the strongest bonds. Okay, but there are three bonds of the hair. So the salt bonds or the temporary bonds, they contribute to the strength and elasticity of the hair. Hydrogen bonds are the weakest bonds, and they're responsible for adjusting the hair shape, maintaining moisture and hydration. So as an example, if you ran a flat iron over the ends of your hair, you're affecting the hydrogen bonds. These are the weakest, and these are the ones that when you use a flat iron or you smooth the hair with a brush, you're affecting the hydrogen bonds for the most part. And then of course, I just explained the disulfide bonds. These are the stronger permanent bonds that determine the hair's natural shape, stability, and texture. So even though when you're born, your DNA determines if you're going to have curly or straight hair, the disulfide bonds are the ones that really are found inside the hair structure that gives the hair its natural shape, stability, and or texture. So if you want to permanently straighten hair, you're going to affect the disulfide bonds more than all the others because the others are weaker. How rebond plays into all this, as we use chemicals, as we go into the ocean, as we're in the sun, etc., all these factors can weaken or break the hair bonds. So I have a list of them here. Of course, there's more than 10. How do we repair these bonds? And this is where bond repair doesn't necessarily have to be in the salon. And we bring salon level repair straight to the comfort of the client's home. Clients benefit because they're able to repair, restore, and renew after they shampoo each time. I've been doing this a very long time. I've never seen so much response, positive response from distributors, from clients that we've given to sample this, to test it for us. I've never seen such excitement and response in all the years that I've been in this industry. We have a revolutionary bond builder that utilizes a professional strength, patented ingredient technology to repair, restore, and renew the internal bond structures of the hair. When I say professional strength, just because it is a retail product doesn't mean that we don't use full functioning levels of this bond repair technology. The other great thing about this product is it also prevents future damage. So even if a client's coming in and getting a chemical service, a color service, and they're using a bond builder agent, they're either adding it or there's many colors, many bleaches right now that have the bond builder added in, the Plex added in. The other part of this is that this also protects from future damage. Additional benefits, because we're affecting the three bonds of the hair, we're reversing damage and aging. Noticeable results after the first use. The worse condition the hair is, the better you're going to see these instant results after the first use. This product strengthens, softens, smooths the hair. We have a patented bond technology, vegan and cruelty-free, which is huge now. Everybody's looking for these types of ingredients. So our technology is called Fiber Renew. You'll see this on the front of the bottle also. We have Miracle Bond Building Mask with Fiber Renew. Fiber Renew is our patented bond building technology. We mix this with a lot of other goodies, a lot of other ingredients. Why? Because the bond building technology is one thing, but we also have to moisturize, condition, hydrate the hair. And so on the outside of the box, you'll also see all these ingredients listed. Vegan-friendly, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free. There are no animal byproducts in this product. Even the proteins we use, these are all vegetable-derived or plant-derived proteins. About 30% of the feedback came back and said, you know what, we like K18 better. I said, okay. Approximately 30% came back and said, you know what, we prefer the Rebond. And then 40%, the leftover people said, you know what, we love them both. We think they work equally as well. We love them both, but we prefer your fragrance better. So we knew we had something really, really great here. And again, people prefer our fragrance. When you look at the cost of K18, which is really important for this presentation, they are $75 retail for 1.7 ounce. So if you do the math on that, that's $44.11 per ounce. Rebond, that's our product. Our leave-in mask is $44 for 3 ounces. So if you really compare us to the K18, which is really the only competitor in the space, we are 67% less expensive than K18. We're $14.66 an ounce. They are $44.11 per ounce.
This is their Instagram. So there's a couple of them here that are really, really impressive. So I'm going to play you this one here.
The secret to my long, healthy, and shiny hair. Rebond. Their Living Miracle Bond Building Mask really changed my hair. I used to have a lot of damage at the bottom. They used to be really pointy and really unhealthy. I now use a rebond after all of my shampoo. I just leave it in for 4 minutes after my hair is towel dried, and then I just dry it with a hair dryer, and my hair has transformed ever since. And that shine, I've never had that before. If you want to have healthy, shiny hair as well, try Rebond. Let's try the Living Miracle Bond Building Mask by Rebond together. I started by doing my normal shampoo and did not condition my hair. Once my hair was towel dried, I've put 2 pumps of Rebond mask in my hand and spread it throughout my hair from the top to the ends. I then used a comb to put it throughout all my hair evenly. I then waited the 4 minutes for the miracle to happen. I didn't rinse and directly dried it. And here is the result. My hair has never been that smooth, that shiny, and that healthy. And that only after 1 use. I am speechless. I love it, and you should try it too.
That one has been selling really good. I'm just in awe of how many of these that I've sold. You need to get your stylist to try it on you, because you'll notice the difference right then. Right when they put it in the hair at the bowl, you're going to notice the difference in the way your hair feels. And then definitely after you blow dry it, the people with the most damage are going to notice the most difference in the way their hair looks and feels. Be sure to ask for Rebond Leave-In Miracle Bond Building Mask. People that have been following me for a while know that I'm a big, huge fan of Color Wow. The popularity of this product is just insane. And of course, they're known for their Color Wow Dream Coat and other products. And one of the really hot items that have come along, people that struggle with fine, thin hair, they are always looking for something that will give them volume. But the problem with most other products out there, they either leave something sticky or gooey or crunchy in their hair. And some people like that. If you do like that crunch or that really strong, firm hold, then this product is probably not going to be for you. The product that I'm talking about is Color Wow's Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer. I sell so much of this, I've lost track of how well this sells. And again, this is out of stock. And it's always, seems like every month or so we run out of this. This has been around a while now, so this is one of our hottest selling items still. Although, Color Wow is known for their Dream Coat, I think they're going to be known for their volumizing products too. So this is just one of several that they have. One of the other previous ones that is a real big seller is Color Wow Raise the Root. It's a root lift that you spray in to get poured at the root area. This one can do that to a degree, but really this is an all over type of foam. It's sort of like a slick feeling foam. A lot of people, I think, will be scared of this because it almost feels like it's going to be heavy in the hair, but it really isn't. One of the other cool products that Color Wow has is called Carb Cocktail, and it's a heat-activated hair treatment that actually forms a micronized 3D fiber mesh around each hair strand and actually builds the bulk. So if you need bulk in your hair, it will do that without feeling like you've got really anything in your hair other than just more volume. One of the other things that I would say would be a good help creating volume with Color Wow is their Style on Steroids, which is a dry texturizing spray that will create texture and volume, but won't leave it feeling like hairspray. It just almost feels like a cross between a dry shampoo and a hairspray. With those, you should be able to get volume. Now, one of the most important things to do, if you haven't already started using their shampoo, use their Color Wow Color Security shampoo. When you have really clean hair, you'll start with a base that has nothing that's going to work against these products to create the volume. So the benefit of the Color Wow Color Security shampoo is that it doesn't leave any residue or anything behind. It doesn't dull the hair. It's completely clear, so it doesn't leave anything behind that could clog the hair follicles. So if you struggle with hair loss, this might be a good shampoo to use to keep your scalp clean. Safe for color, but guys can use it, and anybody that doesn't get hair color can use this shampoo. You want to make sure you watch this next video on how to get the best results using this product. Watch.
Today, I'm going to show you how to really pump up the volume using the new extra large volumizing foam by Color Wow. So we're going to start on damp hair. I generally like to use 1 to 3 pumps per quarter of hair and apply it from root to tip, making sure that the product is evenly distributed because we want all of this amazing volumizing technology to work on each strand of hair. What I love about this product is it contains no salt nor no alcohol that will dry the hair out, which really do compromise on the end result of your hair. One last tip before we blow dry. I like to use 1 pump of the product when we've finished applying throughout the whole head of hair, and then I like to just literally rub it all around the hairline. And a lot of people tend to have flyaways or baby hairs. It really gives you that lift when you blow dry or air dry, and it gives you much more hold and really just helps with that whole volumizing effect. Now, you don't have to use heat on this product, which is honestly one of the things I love about it. If you don't want to use heat, obviously you can just leave the hair to dry. You can instantly feel that even when the product is in the hair, how much volume it instantly has. You can feel the volume, and you can also feel that the hair is much more pliable. I'm going to use heat because we're going to get maximum volume, and I really want to show this product off. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you the results of just blow drying the front section so you can see you instantly get a really nice pliable amount of volume. You can move it around from side to side. The hair still has a great shine. That's what I love about this product. Not only does it give it volume, but it also has your heat protection in, which for me is really important. And I know now this is hair I can play with. It's pliable, it has hold, and still gives you that really beautiful finish, which I think is what beautiful hair is all about. Okay guys, as you can see, we've finished styling the hair into that bombshell look using the extra large styling foam. What I love about this look is not only is it full of volume and bounce, but it also has a great shine and the hair moves. And that for me is what seals the deal. Try it.
I'm sure you've all seen Shay Sullivan's bombshell blowout go completely viral. I'm going to show you how you can recreate it at home using Velcro rollers. Keep watching. This is Alex's hair before, and this is the after. First step is to wash. Okay, so step 2, I use the extra large bombshell blowout volumizer. Now, it's really important that you pump this all throughout the hair. If you look what I'm doing on Alex's hair, I'll work it right into the root area first, and then I'll work it right through the ends. I'm actually gonna get Alex to throw her head upside down to start to build some of that foundation and that volume ready for our blow dry. Okay, so we've rough dried Alex's hair. You can see how much volume we're already getting. Now to find the section, I'm going to use my Velcro roller to actually measure the section that I'm going to take. And then I'm going to take my round brush and I'm going to blow dry that in and then start setting in the rollers. So now we've blow dried that section, it's time to put the roller in. You start at the ends and just gently roll it down, making sure you get all of the hair in. Okay, so the rollers have had time to cool. It's time to take them out. Look at that. Unbelievable. Wow. All right, Alex, so there's your Shay bombshell blowout. What do you think?
I love it. I don't even know whose hair this is.
I'm gonna let you steal my secret to big bombshell hair. Watch this.
So there you have it. Be sure to get it. It's on special right now. If you're a stylist or a customer in my area, please call me or text me to place your order. If you're not a customer of mine, please buy it from a local stylist. Please support them. If not, I have links below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you've used this product and if it's been working for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to get your extra large bombshell volumizer before it sells out. And it probably will.